How did you do the freaking stacks?
Well, where the Y pipe goes from 2 into 1,
Yeah.
I just continued that on, and we use the factory resonator that normally sits at the back.
Yeah.
We use the factory resonator in there as a muffler, and just come straight back with the 90 up. Cut a hole, put the 90 up into it, and then at 90's up into the 2.
Okay, so Y's up. Yeah.
Because I wanted to do 2 back, but you can't dual it back because the gas tank's right in the road there. This drive shaft's that close to the gas tank.
Right.
So they both, it's got to come up the one side, so you might as well do one Wyatt.
So you welded it and you put...
My buddy welded it because he's a professional welder.
Yeah.
We did it in his shop.
Yeah.
This is 114 bucks of materials.
That's it?
Yeah.
That's awesome. And you didn't go stainless steel, you just went...
Just regular aluminized. I didn't want to be showing off with stainless.
Yeah.
Plus I figured to discolor because those do get hot enough if you're doing like a $1.80 down the highway.
Looks fine.
Yeah.
Well, it actually matches the truck.
Yeah, it does. It looks a lot better than...
Because technically you don't have chrome on there.
Not
really.
No, not really.
Right? Actual chrome on.
Like a couple bumpers.
Yeah.